BBNaija reunion. Erica indirectly warns Ka3na, advises Elite to stop patronizing brands she didn't
A
endorse.
brand when I'm working with a brand. If I tag a brand, I'm working with the brand. If I post because I like the person, but it's not. So if it's business related, I'll put the handle of the business. So I'll just be like, okay, outfit by so, or product by so. You get that's because I want you guys to see the product and possibly patronize. Okay, yeah. So that's it. So if I tag a brand, like maybe if I'm wearing hair now, like hair by Cuckoo's Hair, yeah, patronize Cuckoo's Hair. Why not? Okay. But if I'm just hanging out with someone, or if I'm walking on the road and I see someone, I'm like, oh hi, let's make a video. We'll make a video. Um, I'm not. I'm not doing a business collaboration with the person. I'm just saying hi. Okay. Yes. So that's it. Yeah, someone said she's adding weight and beautiful. Like, I'm not gaining weight, too. Okay. I'm probably just sitting in a funny way. I'm not gaining weight. Well, thank you. Yeah, so exactly. If you like a brand and you see, buy. Do whatever you want to do. If I tag a brand and say, oh guys, patronize this brand, or hair by this, or shoes by so, yeah, patronize them if you want to, because I'm endorsing them. Okay. Yeah, that's it. So if I don't, and some people are just saying, Elite, come and buy, Elite, come and buy, Elite, come and buy. You decide if you want to buy, but don't just buy because someone calls you Elite and names something after me, or puts my face on something. Or do you get what I'm saying? Because a lot of people love Elites right now, because obviously elites are the best fan base. You don't know, they know our power. So of course, so just don't just spend just because people are saying elites come and do this, elites come and do that. That's just all I'm letting you know, okay? If you want to, okay, but not because someone mentions my name or someone puts my face. That's all.
It's over a week Ka3na used Erica's name and that of her fans Ellie to market a fashion collection without legally consulting her. Ex-Big Brother Naija Season 5 lockdown reality television star Erica Nlewedim has advised her fans Ellie to desist from rushing to buy from brands she didn't endorse whenever the owner of brand uses her name or fan's name without proper permission. Erica's words to fans seem to be an indirect warning to her colleague and co-reality star Kate Jones, better known as Ka3na, following a recent post she made using Erica's name. It would be recalled that on April 20th, Ka3na took to her Twitter page and shared a tweet alongside photos of her latest fashion collection, which she titled Star Girl Collection, and tagged Erica, who didn't react to it. In the tweet, she wrote, "Introducing the Star Girl collection by KPL Fashion. This time for my girl, Erica Nlewedim. Elite getting here," Ka3na posted. However, it's over a week Ka3na tweeted this, and Erica, while addressing her supporters in a live Instagram video, beckoned on them to stop going for the brand she didn't tag or endorse using any of her social media pages. She wrote, "Wait for me to endorse first Elite before spending your coins." Erica believes that fans have made her marketable in a way that many brands who couldn't endorse her use her name and that of Elite to sell their products without proper permission. The reality star added, "If any brand comes to convince her fans to buy their product, the fans should go ahead to buy as long as they are not using Elite or her name as a marketing strategy."